This 5-minute solution will show you how to stop dropped frames in Streamlabs OBS. It is usually about the network connection issue. If the network connection is in a bad situation, then OBS is dropping frames. Some other cases will lead to dropped frames. For example, if the connection to the remote service is unstable, it will cause OBS to drop frames. Also, if the bitrate is not suitable, it will happen as well. Next, if the network is under a large number of uploading files, the dropped frame will also arise. So, how to solve the problem that OBS is getting dropped frames? The most important thing is to adjust the bitrate to a suitable level. Now follow me for fixing the dropped frames problem. Best 5 methods to fix OBS dropped frame. First method, lower the bitrate in OBS. First of all, click on Settings. Click on Output. After that, you need to find the video bitrate in the streaming option. Use the scroll down option to change the level. Also, if you want to optimize the settings for bitrate, click Advanced. Scroll down and search for network. Once you get it, here you'll find this dynamically changed bitrate to manage congestion. So all you have to do is just enable the option and then click on Apply. And the second solution is enable network optimization. To do that, open your settings and make sure to select Advanced tab, scroll down and search for network setting. Once you're here, you'll find this enable network optimization option. So enable this option from here. And the third solution is set bind to IP. To solve dropped frames in OBS, the network is what you should focus on. In OBS, there are other options to change it. The bind to IP should be altered to default. If you want to alter the network settings in OBS, you can hit Advanced Network Bind to IP. Then make sure it is in default. Fourth solution, adjust networking hardware. When using the outdated network driver, this issue will happen as well. You can update the network driver to make sure that there is a stable connection. If you still use the old network drive, the OBS dropping frames problem will happen as well. To update it, you can do it manually and automatically. And the last and final solution, contact ISP or request support. If the above solution cannot help fix dropped frames in OBS, then you can go to the official website to look for the particular solution for your situation. Go to obsproject.com/help and look for the rated help on the website. So that's how you will be able to stop dropped frames in Streamlabs OBS. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.